Hey YouTube, we're at the end of our journey here. The Biohazard has been rebuilt. There's the old frame, and there it is. I told you where we're moving it over here. So, I fixed the carburetor. It needed a new seal around the bowl, but I think it needs a new gasket around the little bolt on it because it still leaks from there. Not as much, very little. I got the hood mounted, and to show you how I did it, see over here on a Murray, they got this piece that sort of bolts the front end to the frame instead of the frame or the front end being bolted inside the frame. So I unbolted this piece and bolted it to the Craftsman frame, and then the brackets usually sit this way. I turned them this way and I mounted it. And I don't know if I'll keep it that way, but I might. It depends on how well this works. There's the exhaust. Not really good, but there's the exhaust. I think I may go ahead and change the head gasket on this mower because it's like pouring oil out of the head gasket. I don't know if that'd not make it the Biohazard anymore, but we'll see. That hood keeps popping up when I drive, so I'm gonna have to put a hitch pin in it or something. That's the kill switch, old headlight switch. This is low idle. This is high, and that's choke. I don't know what I did there, but I don't care as long as I know how to drive it. I had to cut more of the body away than I wanted to. I put the shifter in the floor because it would rub up there on the fender. And this thing has brakes. This bolt keeps coming loose, so I'm going to take it out and put a different bolt in there. And I got the trailer hitch on it. I was using it yesterday. I towed a trailer with it. So yeah, it's kind of disappointing that I had to cut more away from it than I wanted to. I realized that on a Craftsman frame, the wheelbase is shorter than on a Murray frame. But hey, whatever. And in the future, I want to put handlebars up here, and I was going to do it yesterday, but I want to run a throttle cable to the throttle. I need to tighten that up. And when you do like this, rev up the throttle, but I don't have any long cables for it, and I thought it did. I might have tossed them, but so the Biohazard's basically done. A few more little tweaks here and there, and maybe some lights later on. Oh, by the way, with the new transmission and the big wheel setup, I guess that transmission was really shot because this thing will go at least 10 miles an hour. We clocked it, and it's not pulley swapped. I think it's just with the 6-speed maybe instead of a 5-speed. I thought they were all the same, 5 miles an hour. But the big tires do make a difference, and it goes 10 miles an hour. So I may not even have to pulley swap this thing later on, because I think that would be way too fast for this setup. And after I get the mud tires on here, these are just joyriding or working or whatever. Then I get the mud tires on here, I can go have fun, pull the mud tires back off, and put the work tires back on. Alright. So that's the Biohazard, the new rebuilt, and more to come with it.